The performance students. Would like to thank you for giving us this opportunity and to do this what I want. Thank you so much. Because they told me to pretend this because still you tell each other but then we really appreciate what you did for us. Thank you.
No, thank you. You know that those were far because it's not going to put it on Mutasa. Mafiwa Mutasa High School. Ndiyo chikoro chiri pamoyo madzimambo akawanda paMutasa. Because I can say that's the only school yakanemwa after Muri Mambo. Pafiwa Mutasa. That's the only school. Saka isusu whatever that's why mtona hivi zvakazi culture day kwa Mutasa unoitwa Pafiwa chakati chikaita culture chekwa Mutasa chinonzi ndaitwa Pafiwa because isusu we consider that school ndio school chiri pamoyo
but chine timu yedu ilipo Warongo
chinokadzoka wa matisha aripo Warongo waripo wakawanda newazvare varipo wanda saka tinoshida chikoro ichochechi haina kutoziva kuti murongo zvinorevei Warongo wakadzi wemachina muzvare mwana wechii hanzvadzi yemuchina havanzwisisa ukatongoroorwa nemwana paMutasa waMurongo wamurongo kana paine wepenyu watodanana navo varipo havamboshai machikano varipo munotovaziva munotovaziva
Pafiwa wacho unechitupu wacho pale pakagara ipo pale yote pale
vanochengeta makapi hamisi kutovaziva
muzvare right uyo ndiani auyo akamirira vana ndiani uyo adzani musikana ndiwanga wataura wapa vote of things we are so isusu hatoita manje ndakasombozwa adzani ndiye ndakasombozwa chairman Masera kuti mambo chikoro chedu icho vana zikulebhu here kuchii vana vari kunetseka nezvituru zvaita zvishoma munazombotonawo chichi saka ndavana kuti zvomauyawo haitisi zvinoita nani munowedzerawo munozongotiwo mambo akawedzerawo chii akawedzerawo macheya hamiroti mangani masituru azi mangani hamiroti mangani saka tasvika hazina mambodzera ichi tuzvituru twemuchii twemulepo ticharamba tichingodi tichitsvaka tikandoona munotoratauya futi no thank you very much for coming. I just hope that this will not be first and last and it A-levels. Okay. Panoita history la ma A-levels. Now pay question. Munoita European history. Chinyora. Open and close. Bismarck, the greatest of all Germany, was a dictator. Close quote. How far true is this? Bismarck, the greatest of all Germans, was a dictator. How far true is this? Kana kuti munokwanisa kuti evaluate this assertion. This is the second one. Mussolini, dressed in all black, crying for Mother Italy. Close quote. Yeah? That is it? Sorry? That Mussolini, dressed in all black, crying for Mother Italy. What was he crying for? That's number 2. Number 3. Opening quotes. War is a risky instrument of policy, liable of producing results that are unforeseen. How far true is this assertion? By Holmes. War is a risky instrument of policy, liable of producing results that are unforeseen. Close quote. How true is this assertion? Huh?
That is the question.
That is war. W-A-R. War is a risky instrument of policy, liable of producing results that are unforeseen. Close quote. How true is this assertion? Mozondipawo maomwe wamwe warikufundisa geography.
Kana watadzashumba mundu wokumachinga izvo.
Heritage. What is the significance of national shrines in our country? What is the significance of national shrines in our country? 4 pages. And this, so the chapter 9, the question, and this, define. I'm trying to guide you. Define the word shrine. What is a shrine? And this, then after what define the word shrine? And this, you name the shrines that you know. And this, after naming the shrines that you know, then you then give the significance of each and every shrine in our history. For example, Njelele. Why is Njelele important in our history? Why is being a guru important in our history? Why is Great Zimbabwe important in our history? Huh?